Hello students. So in previous YouTube link we have completed our English lesson number 4, the sound of violin, warm up, right? Today I am going to explain you the lesson. Let's start. Read. The Sound of Violin by Medha Kumar. Children Express 25th February 2017. So here a short introduction is given that who has written, what it is, type of a report writing, right? So let's start. The Sweet Notes Orchestra was touring India. They had reached Pune for a performance at Bal Gandharva Auditorium. The famous violin maestro Sunanda Patkar was going to perform here. Her fans were eagerly waiting for the musical treat to begin. So what do you mean by orchestra? Orchestra is a group of people. You can see here in the picture. It is a group of people which play various instruments. Students, see in the picture, कितने सारे लोग हैं with different musical instruments in their hand and lead by a person who directs them. So this full group of people is called as orchestra, where some people play musical instruments and one person directs them. So the Sweet Notes Orchestra. What is the name of this orchestra? Sweet Notes Orchestra. Where they are touring? They are touring over India. मतलब वो इंडिया में सब जगह जाकर अपना परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे थे. So this time they have reached to Pune. कहाँ पर आए हैं? पुणे में आए हैं. Where? At Bal Gandharva Auditorium. The famous violin maestro. What do you mean by maestro? A great performer, especially a musician. So there is a famous violin maestro. You can see violin in her hand. Sunanda Patkar. Who is she? Sunanda Patkar. She was going to perform here, and all her fans, they were eagerly waiting for this musical treat. We met the well-known artist backstage after her performance and interviewed her as she sipped her tea. Following are the excerpts from the interview. So, what do you mean by excerpts? It means small parts of a longer written work. So, the Sweet Notes Orchestra, they reached to Pune for performance at Bal Gandharva Auditorium, and the famous maestro Sunanda Patkar was also with them. So, after having a good musical treat, what the person had done, that the children expressed what they have done, they met the Sunanda Patkar and they interviewed her at backstage. And students, in this lesson we are going to see the small interview of her. ओके किसका इंटरव्यू देखने वाले हैं? सुनंदा पाटकर का इंटरव्यू देखने वाले हैं विच चिल्ड्रन एक्सप्रेस हैज़ टेकन. लेट्स स्टार्ट. चिल्ड्रन एक्सप्रेस, व्हाई डिड यू चूज टू लर्न वायलिन? सो व्हाट चिल्ड्रन एक्सप्रेस इज आस्किंग द इंटरव्यूई, व्हाट ही इज आस्किंग, द इंटरव्यूअर इज आस्किंग कि आपने वायलिन लर्न करना क्यों चूज़ किया? व्हाई डिड यू चूज ओनली अ वायलिन? सुनंदा, इट मीन्स द लेडी, the famous maestro, she is answering, my father, late Shri Haridas Ketkar, was a famous violin player. My mother Krishna was a sitar player. To continue the tradition of playing stringed instruments in the family, I trained in violin from the age of 8. Students, what do you mean by late? A person no longer alive. It means Miss Sunanda Patkar, उनके डैडी अभी थे क्या? नो, ही वॉज डाइड बिफोर ओनली. सो शी हैड यूज द वर्ड लेट. देखो मम्मी के नेम में लेट यूज़ किया है. नो, इट मीन्स उनकी मम्मी अभी तक है, शी इज़ अलाइव. एंड लेट वी यूज़ फॉर द पर्सन विच आर नो मोर. सो व्हाट शी सेज दैट माई फादर, लेट श्री हरिदास केटकर, ही यूज टू प्ले वायलिन, एंड हर मदर, शी वॉज द सितार प्लेयर. Just to follow the tradition of playing a stringed instrument, she was trained in violin. Children express, what are these stringed instruments that you just mentioned? So what the person is asking a question कि ये stringed instruments, what they are actually? They are asking in her detail. Students, turn your page. Let's see now what Sunanda Patkar she is answering. Page number 42. Sunanda, these are musical instruments that have strings. They produce sound when the strings are touched or struck. There are many stringed instruments like guitar, mandolina. Students, you can see a picture. Guitar, mandolina, cello, veena, sitar, sarangi, violin, bass. What are these? These are string instruments. So what did Children Express asked her? चिल्ड्रन एक्सप्रेस ने सुनंदा से क्या पूछा कि आपने अभी स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नाम लिया, बट ये स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स क्या होते हैं? सो सुनंदा, शी इज आंसरिंग द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स विच प्रोड्यूस द म्यूजिक with the help of strings, or when the strings are touched or struck, those instruments are called as string instruments, and you can see here the picture. Children Express, who was your teacher? अभी चिल्ड्रन एक्सप्रेस ने क्या पूछा कि आपके टीचर कौन थे? Who was the guru? Sunanda, I trained under my father and later under Guru Ganga Prasad Mahato. We would practice every day for 5 to 6 hours. The strings of the violin became my friends. Its beautiful sound became my constant companion. Now see here in the picture you can see the small Sunanda. She is along with her father. So what Sunanda said, that she was trained under her father. पहले उन्होंने किससे सीखा है? अपने फादर से सीखा है. एंड लेटर ऑन गुरु गंगा प्रसाद महातो, इन्होंने क्या किया है? सुनंदा को वायलिन सिखाया है. एंड दे यूज टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे फॉर 5 to 6 आवर्स. कितना टाइम? 5 to 6 आवर्स. रोज डेली प्रैक्टिस करते थे. एंड व्हाट शी सेड, that today the violin strings, the violin sound, they are my best friend. Violin is her best friend, her companion. Children Express, did you face any difficulties in learning the instrument? Now what they are asking, Children Express, क्या पूछा? आपने कोई difficulties face की है? Did you face any difficulties in learning this violin? Sunanda, I face many hardships in the initial years. What she said, कि मैंने बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क किया है, बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस की. बिकॉज नो वन इज़ गुड, राइट? आफ्टर प्रैक्टिस ओनली हम कोई भी चीज़ में गुड हो सकते. सो व्हाट डिड सुनंदा से? अर्ली इन इनिशियल ईयर्स आई यूज टू फेस मैनी डिफ़िकल्टीज. Learning an art takes great discipline and even greater effort to master it. I took some time to learn how to hold the violin properly under my chin. So what Sunanda is saying, that in initial years she had faced many difficulties, many hardships, and for learning a good violin or for becoming a good in something, we require lot of hardship, lot of hard work, and we need many efforts to mastering. And in initial years what she had learned how to properly hold the violin under the chin. My left shoulder would ache after practice. What do you mean by ache? ऐसे दर्द करता है ना? So what she said, my left shoulder, it used to ache. Mother would always tell me, violins provide melody to an orchestra. What do you mean by melody? A tune. So what her mother said, Mother Krishna, what she used to say, कि orchestra में violin play करना, it used to play a melody. Melody means a tune or specially a piece of music. When you become a violin player, the entire orchestra will look up to you to provide them with melody. So what did mother used to say? That violins, they provide a sweet melody to the orchestra, and when you will become a good player, the full orchestra will look after you for providing this melody. Students, come to the next side. Page number 43. Children Express, wow, that is truly inspiring. Can you tell us something more about the violin? So Children Express, what they said, it is very good. Wow, it is truly inspiring. Inspiring means encouraging to do. So can you tell something more about your violin? आप अपने violin के बारे में कुछ और बताएंगे प्लीज. सुनंदा, वायलिन इज़ अ वुडन इंस्ट्रूमेंट. वायलिन कौन सा? एक वुड का बना हुआ इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. इट वॉज फर्स्ट मेड इन इटली फ्यू 100 years बैक. सो स्टूडेंट्स टेल मी, सबसे पहले वायलिन कहाँ बना था? इन द इटली. नाउ इट इज़ प्लेड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. द प्लेयर नीड्स टू ड्रॉ द बो अक्रॉस द स्ट्रिंग to or plug them to produce sound. So what the player has to do, what the musician has to do, he have to use the bow. Like you can see a long rod and it is used to play like this. So this thing is called as bow. Children Express, thank you for taking out time to speak to us. We look forward to listening to more of your recitals in the coming years. So what did Children Express said? Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your precious time, for speaking with us, giving us so much knowledge about the stringed instruments, about the violin, and what they said, we are looking up for your more recitals. What do you mean by recitals? That is public performance of music given by one person or a small group. We are eagerly waiting for your upcoming performances. Sunanda Patkar is an inspiring artist. She has received many awards. She also runs a school, Sangeet Ashram, where she trains children to play various musical instruments. So students, at the end what we have seen, that Sunanda Patkar, she is an inspiring artist. Yes, हमने उनसे सीखा है कि कितना hard work करना चाहिए. Then the next thing, she had received many awards and she also runs a Sangeet Ashram where she teaches the students, where she trains the students or children to play musical instrument. So students, here we are ending up with our lesson. What you have to do is, you have to read this lesson and practice in your own passion. Okay? Bye bye. Read it.